What happens when retro design collides with modern American muscle, and then you add a 6-speed manual? This is not just a truck, this is not just a convertible, and it's definitely not ordinary. This is a 2005 Chevrolet SSR powered by the legendary 6.0-liter LS2 V8, paired with the highly desirable 6-speed manual transmission and showing just 44,813 actual miles. And today we're stepping into a machine that blends nostalgia, horsepower, craftsmanship, and collector appeal into one unforgettable experience. Roll the cinematic intro, the camera slowly glides across the factory yellow paint. It doesn't just shine, it radiates. Under showroom lighting, the custom stripes and flames seem alive, flowing across the sculpted fenders like motion frozen in time. The SSR's body lines echo 1940s pickup heritage, yet the stance is unmistakably modern. Aggressive, athletic, purposeful. Then your eyes drop to the wheels, chrome 19-inch fronts, massive 20-inch rears. The staggered setup gives this SSR a planted, muscular posture. It looks ready to launch, even standing still. But the real magic begins when the hood rises. Underneath sits the LS2, a 6.0-liter V8 that once powered performance icons of the era. Over 390 horsepower of naturally aspirated American fury. No gimmicks. No artificial sound, just displacement, compression, and raw combustion. The dual air intake system feeds it clean oxygen, while the serpentine belt setup keeps everything operating with smooth precision. Now pair that with what makes this SSR truly special. The 6-speed manual transmission, not paddle shifters, not an automatic, a true clutch and gearbox driver's setup. Every shift is mechanical connection, every downshift is a statement. The 3.73 limited slip rear axle ensures power reaches the pavement with authority. First gear pulls hard, second snaps your head back. Third stretches the V8's growl into a deep mechanical symphony. This isn't just driving, it's engagement. And when it's time to slow things down, 4-wheel power disc brakes bring everything back to earth with confidence. Power steering keeps control tight and responsive. The balance between performance and drivability is something Chevrolet executed brilliantly in 2005. And it shows. But the SSR isn't just muscle, it's theater. With the press of a button, the retractable hardtop begins its transformation. Panels fold gracefully, mechanical arms move with precision, and within seconds, the coupe becomes a roadster. No soft top compromise, no awkward lines. Just clean, engineered beauty. Top up, it's refined. Top down, it's rebellious. Step inside, the door closes with a solid, reassuring sound. The cabin greets you with custom yellow inserts stitched into the seats, perfectly complementing the exterior. Chrome accents shimmer across the dash and console, giving the interior a tailored, almost concept car feel. This isn't cookie-cutter GM plastic, this is personality. Front and center sits a Kenwood flat-screen receiver, a subtle modernization that doesn't disrupt the classic SSR design. Our 134 air conditioning keeps the cabin cool, whether cruising summer highways or parked at a weekend show. Look behind you, and there's another surprise. The bed, finished as a Dale Earnhardt tribute, it adds a layer of motorsport heritage and individuality. It's not overdone, it's expressive, a nod to racing passion, a reminder that performance culture runs deep in American automotive DNA, and then there's something collectors quietly appreciate: documentation. The original owner's manual, the window sticker, paperwork that confirms authenticity, history that adds credibility. In a world where originality matters, this SSR checks the right boxes. Now let's talk value. At $49,995, you're not simply buying transportation, you're buying rarity. The LS2 plus 6-speed combination represents one of the most desirable configurations ever offered in the SSR lineup. Add low mileage, add factory yellow, add custom touches done with taste, add documentation, and suddenly this isn't just a niche vehicle, it's a future classic. Out on the road, the SSR feels alive. The V8 hums at cruising speed, then roars when provoked. The manual gearbox invites interaction. The chassis feels stable yet playful. People stare, cameras come out, gas stations turn into conversations, because you don't see these every day, and you certainly don't see them like this. This 2005 Chevrolet SSR is a paradox in the best way possible. Part hot rod, part show truck, part convertible grand tour, it refuses to fit into one category. And that's exactly why it works. Some vehicles are built to stand out, from the flames dancing across the yellow paint to the chrome wheels reflecting pavement, from the LS2's thunderous heartbeat to the click of that 6-speed shifter sliding into gear. This is an experience you don't just observe, you feel it, you hear it, you remember it. And when the sun sets and the hard top closes with mechanical grace, the SSR rests, not as a truck, not as a convertible, but as a statement piece of American engineering. Low miles, manual transmission, LS2 power, documented history, bold personality. This isn't just a 2005 SSR. This is the one enthusiasts search for, and the only question left is, are you ready to take the wheel?